Hi everyone, in this set of videos I'll be going over the solutions to test 3. Before I get started, I should point out that this test is made up of 7 parts. Everyone gets the test in order of parts, in the correct order of parts, but the questions within each part is mixed around, and also the order of the multiple choice answers is also mixed around for differently for every person, so yours might look slightly different from what this looks like right now. So we can get started with part 1. This Java statement creates a print writer object named pw1, and it passes in the argument data.txt to the constructor of the print writer. So therefore, the answer to this question is it creates a print writer object that is associated with a file called data.txt. That's what's passed in here. The name of the object is pw1. So D doesn't make sense here. So the answer is C, creates a print writer object that is associated with a file called data.txt. Which of the following Java statements will close the file opened by the statement? So again, this creates a new print writer object called a file, and whatever argument you pass into the constructor is what the print writer is the file for which the print writer will be associated with. So given this print writer object a file, you can also look at the documentation to see how this is closed. But this is an instance of an object, so you have to use an instance method to close. So you call a file dot close. It's not bfile because bfile is not the object. Bfile is the file that a file is associated with. So the answer is D, afile.close. Now, the following two Java statements, print writer pw1 equals new print writer data.txt, pw1.println nums.csv. So again, you can look at the actual Java print writer documentation while you're doing this, and you'll see that the print line writes whatever text was passed in to whatever file that pw1 is associated with. So the answer here is we'll print the text nums.csv, which was passed into print line, to a file called data.txt, because pw1 is associated to this file data.txt. So here's the answer. We'll print the text nums.csv to a file called data.txt. And that was it for part 1.